jump off your seat and do a few cartwheels and stand down. Anyway, right. Well, welcome back to another episode of UPbuild on the Classic Mini. So we're going to carry on work on this.
We're going to carry on the sill. We've got the car turned over now. We're nicely on its side. You can see where we're working along the sill there now. We're going to adjust that sill up.
Set up and prepared with that. So as you've seen, obviously in the title, we're moving. So that's a bit exciting. So that's going to come on a bit later in the episode. But we'll crack on anyway. We'll get on with this sill and get it adjusted.
One in.
I'll tell you. Right then, that's that sill moved. So I just wanted to quickly show you why we've done that, just in a bit more detail, just explain why we've done it, just make a bit more sense. The sill on this side was attached too close or too far in. I know that other guys that have been using these floors have had actually the same problem. Watched some of the videos on YouTube, so other people have had a similar problem. So the sill, when it's been put on, has actually been attached not quite in the right place. It's only a few mil, but as we had that big gap along the bottom of the sill between the doorstep and the door, that was actually where that was out. So we tried first to see if it would pull around and pull up, but it was just too much pressure on the sill, so we've just had to detach the sill and move it down, so you can see how much we have done that by. Get a bit of a look down that, so you can see obviously the painted line here where the sill was. So you're talking about, we've moved it back out by about 10 mil, which allows it to sort of drop down. So you can see the profile down the side, so that allowed the sill to sort of drop down when it came out, and then meet up with the bottom of the doorstep. So just want to quickly sort of make that a bit clearer about what we've done with that. Make that a bit clearer about what we've done with that before we put a bit of paint on it, which we're going to do now. So we'll crack on with that.
You're ready now. I'm ready now. Down. Oh, up.
Right, back.
Yes. You still got time. You want that to fetch back a bit?
Are you ready, Mick, now?
Right, I'm ready when you're ready. Right, you're out. You're out.
That's actually quite light. What's it like underneath?
Go on down. Down.
The front okay?
Down. Yes, you okay? Yes. She's okay.
It's probably going to crush a bit that box, but it'll be alright.
It is. That was good.
Looks kind of good. Well then, here we are in our new location. Some of you might recognise it. It's obviously where we did the work on the 205. You'll have seen in the episodes on the 205 GI build. It's in the on the channel. This is where we worked on it in here. So it's just a small space which I rent and use for working on my 205. But we switched things around between the two cars. So a huge thanks to Johnny, who helped us with the truck and getting the cars moved, and also with Thomas and John for lifting it and lugging it around, because there's a fair bit of weight in these things, even though they're bare shells. There's all the frame in it, and obviously then 205 shifting that, so massive thanks to them. But as you can see, my dad isn't with us, which is a real shame. Unfortunately, because of the current COVID situation and the restrictions we have in the area right now, he can't be with us. We can't be together at the minute. Unfortunately, when we filmed the video, it was 2 or 3 days ago, and we were okay then. We didn't get a chance to film this little section. So he sends his thanks for watching the episode, obviously. Really appreciate you watching through the episodes, and he also thanks you for all the comments. It's been fantastic. Comments is just amazing. Like, we love reading them. Every video put out, just can't believe it. You know, they just get better and better every time. But so yeah, massive thanks from both of us for the comments. And all, as always, as my dad likes to say, he's passed on. Don't forget to press the thumbs up button. Giving us thumbs up, that really helps. You know, massive thanks for all the thumbs up you have given us. Please continue pressing the thumbs up button at the end of the episode, or during the episode when you're watching, if you enjoy the episode. And yeah, really appreciate that. And subscribe, yeah, definitely subscribe if you enjoyed the video. And obviously we've got loads more to come on the Mini. And obviously the reasons why we moved into the garage, we'll explain that as we in the next episodes as we go through them. But obviously more space. There's more space in here for work, and then winter time coming. So But like I say, a few reasons, and we'll explain them. But yeah, that's going to be it for this one, and so looking forward to the next one. And until then, everyone take care, and we'll see you on the next one.